Listen up. The brutal truth is this. Most of you watching are sick and tired of the slow grind, the empty promises of green tech that moves at a snail's pace while your money sits on the sidelines, or worse, gets burned. You know the frustration. You pour into what's supposed to be the future, the low-carbon revolution, and it drags behind like it's stuck in quicksand. Meanwhile, the world keeps screaming for impact, for change, but where the hell are the killer returns? Why is your portfolio still playing catch-up? You want fast, you want triple-digit growth, and you want it now. Not in some decade that feels like a lifetime away. Here's the honest punch. Low-carbon tech isn't a magic bullet by itself. It isn't a ticket to instant riches. It's a battlefield littered with hype, dead ends, and overhyped startups. The gap you feel. That crushing void between what's possible and what's delivered. That's because most investors treat low-carbon tech like a charity case or a slow-moving utility. Wrong. If you want to triple your returns quickly, you have to stop acting normal. You need to dive into the specifics no one else talks about. Step 1. Ditch the safe bets everybody's kowtowing to. Forget the obvious solar panels and electric cars that everyone piles into, thinking, this is the future. The future is in the overlooked, the ignored, the tech people haven't figured out how to hype yet. Look deeper. Think next-gen materials that fix carbon at a molecular level, AI-driven energy efficiency that can slash entire industries' emissions overnight, carbon capture innovations that don't just suck air, but turn it into profit streams. These are niche, hard to get into, and yes, riskier, but high risk is the price for fast, massive rewards. You want the triple? You don't get there by following the herd. Step 2. Get ruthless with your network. Your gut isn't wrong when you feel isolated as a founder or investor. The best breakthroughs come when a rare few connect. Founders who build real tech, and investors who understand the science and the market dynamics deeply enough to spot winners early. This isn't a polite coffee chat game. It's about hunting down those few who get what your vision really means, those who can back it aggressively and help scale it like a rocket. Stop wasting time with crowds. Start building tight strategic alliances with experts who can literally help you double or triple output in months, not years. Step 3. Obsess over data that actually matters. Less hype, more proof. If a startup can't provide you with real performance metrics that tie technology to revenue growth and carbon reduction, walk away. Ask brutal questions. What's the customer acquisition cost compared to the lifetime value? What's the real carbon footprint reduced per dollar invested? Forget theory. Look for hard numbers showing impact and returns marching hand in hand. The slow ones survive on promises. The fast ones deliver through clear, measurable traction. Step 4. Leverage market timing with precision. There's a huge window opening because regulation and consumer pressure are about to explode demand for credible, scalable solutions. Be the one ready with cash and connections when these trigger events hit. Don't wait for the financial press to catch on. Get in ahead. Double down where policy incentives stack in your favor, and make competitors sweat while you build new market corners that turn into gold mines. Finally, never settle. The game in low-carbon tech isn't about playing safe or maintaining the status quo. It's brutal, fast, and unforgiving, but it rewards outrageously those willing to push past conventional logic. Your frustration? It's a sign. A signal you're on the edge of something much bigger. Push past the noise and boredom. Go after the hidden opportunities with ruthless discipline. Triple returns, fast, aren't a fantasy. They're a cold, hard reality if you're smart enough to pick the right tech, move with precision, and refuse to accept slow bullshit. So, stop watching, stop doubting. Get to work. Find the hidden gems. Connect with the rare players who get it, demand measurable impact, and ride the wave of change before it leaves you behind. This is where money meets meaning, and speed becomes power. Don't just invest, ignite. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.